Hello students, welcome to today's science session. Our topic is optics, a very important part of your NDA syllabus. Let's start with the basics. Optics is divided into two types. Geometrical optics, study of light as rays, involves reflection and refraction. Physical optics deals with wave phenomena like interference, diffraction, and polarization.
Ma'am, may I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Is polarization part of geometrical optics?
No, polarization belongs to physical optics, as it is based on the wave nature of light. Reflection of light occurs when light bounces back from a surface. Laws of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal lie in the same plane. Types of mirrors, plane mirror, virtual, erect, laterally inverted, and same-sized image. Spherical mirrors, concave mirror forms real inverted or virtual erect image. Convex mirror always virtual, erect, and diminished image. Mirror formula, 1 upon f equals 1 upon u plus 1 upon v, where f is equal to focal length, u is equal to object distance, v is equal to image distance. Sign convention must be followed. Refraction is the bending of light when it travels between two media. Snell's law, n1 into sine I equals n2 into sine R. Refractive index, n equals speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium, where n is equal to refractive index, c is equal to speed of light in vacuum, v is equal to speed in medium. There are two main types of lenses. Convex lens, converging lens, can form real inverted or virtual erect images. Concave lens, diverging lens, always forms virtual, erect, diminished images. Lens formula, 1 upon f equals 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, where f is equal to focal length, v is equal to image distance, u is equal to object distance. Total internal reflection, TIR. TIR occurs when light goes from a denser to a rarer medium and reflects entirely within the denser medium. Conditions: light must travel from denser to rarer medium. Angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle. Applications: optical fibers, diamonds, mirage, and looming. Prism and dispersion. A prism bends light and also separates white light into its component colors. Angle of deviation, angle between incident and emergent ray. Dispersion, splitting of white light into 7 colors due to different refractive indices for different wavelengths. Let's discuss common vision defects and their corrections. Myopia, nearsightedness, corrected using concave lens. Hypermetropia, farsightedness, corrected using convex lens. Presbyopia, nedge-related, corrected using bifocal lenses. Focal length, distance from pole to focus. Radius of curvature, distance from pole to center of curvature. Optical center, central point of a lens. Principal axis, line passing through center of mirror or lens. Scattering of light. Scattering is the deviation of light due to interaction with small particles. Rayleigh's law, scattering is proportional to 1 upon wavelength to the power 4. Applications: blue sky, shorter blue wavelengths scatter more, red sunsets and sunrises, longer red wavelengths reach after scattering. Interference of light. Interference occurs when two light waves superimpose. Types: constructive interference, crest plus crest is equal to bright fringe. Destructive interference, crest plus trough is equal to dark fringe. Conditions: coherent sources, same frequency, constant phase difference, same polarization, and nearly same amplitude. Example: Young's double-slit experiment. Diffraction of light. Diffraction is the bending of light around edges or through slits. It is significant when slit size is comparable to the wavelength. Example: single-slit diffraction shows central bright fringe with decreasing intensity. Used in spectroscopy, optical instruments. Rainbow formation. A rainbow is formed by the interaction of sunlight with water droplets in the atmosphere. Steps 1. Refraction at the water droplet surface. 2. Internal reflection inside the droplet. 3. Dispersion into different colors. Primary rainbow, red on top, violet at bottom. Secondary rainbow, fainter, reversed colors due to double internal reflection. Polarization of light. Polarization means restricting light vibrations to a single plane. Unpolarized light vibrates in all directions. Polarized light vibrates in one direction. Types: linear polarization, electric field oscillates in one direction. Circular polarization, electric field rotates in a circle. Elliptical polarization, electric field forms an ellipse. Methods to produce polarized light: by reflection, Brewster's law. At Brewster angle, reflected light is fully polarized. By refraction, at the interface of two media, by scattering, scattered sunlight is partially polarized. Using Polaroid filters, these block one plane of vibration. Brewster's law, tangent of Brewster's angle equals refractive index. Applications of polarization. Applications: sunglasses block polarized glare, photography improve contrast, stress analysis in materials, 3D movies use polarized glasses, LCD screens use polarization techniques. Important note: only transverse waves like light can be polarized. Longitudinal waves like sound cannot be polarized. So polarization proves that light is a transverse wave. Closing. That's all for today, students. We have covered reflection, refraction, lenses, TIR, prisma, scattering, interference, diffraction, rainbow formation, and polarization. Revise all the concepts and formulas thoroughly. Jai Hind.